Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on Android 15 beta. To enable Do Not Disturb mode, you can either slide down from the top of your screen, then find Do Not Disturb. If you can't find it, slide down again and find it in all of these shortcuts, and just click on it to turn it on, or click again to turn it off. But you can also enable or disable it in settings. So go to settings and then sounds and vibration, do not disturb. You can turn off now or turn on now. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.